Thank you for your protest. I hear you.
You're Syrian family, no about this Mustafa.
I hear your protest. Thank you.
Shame on you. You are a war profiteer.
I hear you. Thank you.
Stop using AI for genocide, Mustafa. Stop using AI for genocide in our region. You have blood on your hands. All of Microsoft has blood on its hands. How dare you all celebrate when Microsoft is killing children? Shame on you all.
For me, my biggest fear is like waking up from my 9 to 5 and realizing that my code might be killing children today. So that's the concern that was more prevalent for me, and that's why I spoke despite, knowing there might be consequences like that. Yeah, the fear of contributing to the genocide in Gaza is greater for me. I'm more worried about Microsoft's complicity in genocide, honestly. Like, nothing is about, like, that is the limit. Like, knowing that our code is contributing to bombing and surveillance and targeting of innocents, that's my biggest concern right now, over any, like, personal repercussions, yeah.